This is Greg Douglas with Real Estate Candy, powered by Home Smart, and we make real estate a sweet experience. I'm at my listing at 4601 Sunflower Drive in Mansfield, Texas. I'm on my beautiful patio and pergola with my outdoor TV. I want to tell you about our upcoming sports theme open house that will take place on Sunday, August the 20th from 3 to 5 p.m. So wear your sports team jersey. We're going to have plenty of food, drink, watching football, and you get to see a beautiful home. And for everyone that comes to our open house, we call it our open house with a purpose, we'll make a $10 donation to the North Texas Food Bank. Thanksgiving is coming, so we'll make a donation to the North Texas Food Bank to help families see a beautiful house for a worthy cause as well. Sunday, October 20th, 3 to 5 p.m., 4601 Sunflower Drive, Mansfield, Texas. Look forward to seeing you.